A career in accounting. Tips on how you can be successful in any type of business. An accountant is needed. You have to consider that accounting is basically the language in business, and having enough knowledge about accountancy is essential for businessmen and women to know how their business is doing. This is why accounting professionals are very much in demand today. And a lot of certified accountants have become quite successful in their field, and some have even started their own businesses. The great thing about this career is that it will enable you to interact with all levels of business, and you will also learn a lot from it. So, just what does it take to become an accountant and follow this career? First of all, you need to know about the eligibility in becoming an accountant. You need to be a graduate with a 4-year bachelor's degree in accountancy or any related field. Aside from this, an accountant should be able to have good analytical and technical expertise in business systems. Good mathematical aptitude is also a must-have for accountants. And, because computers are now one of the most used mediums in computing, you should also have the knowledge and the operating skills of a computer. Another requirement is that you will need a bachelor's degree with a minor in another subject. This should be taken from an accredited college or university in order for you to apply for master's in accounting. You can also pursue this career if you had your course in accounting over distance learning programs or through the internet. Also, you will need accreditation or a license from a certain organization, such as being a CPA should have a license by the STA or the State Board of Accountancy. Most companies also require that you should complete a number of semester hours as well as work hours, which are considered for a 4-year bachelor's degree. If you become a public accountant, you will be taken as a trainee. You will usually start your career as a junior internal auditor or as a cost accountant. It is recommended that you should have a master's degree in business administration or an MBA, because it is preferred by more companies who are looking for accountants as part of their employees. The great thing about pursuing accountancy as a career is that it presents a lot of career opportunities. For example, you can get a job as an auditor or accountant in government offices or in private companies even if you do not have a license. During the course of your career, you can even get promoted to a position, such as a chief financial officer position, which presents a lot more great opportunities for your career. You can also work in the legal office. You can work as an auditor, a financial officer, a budget analyst, a management accountant, and even as a tax accountant. Most companies that are looking for tax accountants will prefer accountants with legal backgrounds. Forensic accounting is another promising career for accountants. Here, you will investigate crimes, such as fraud in the company's finances. If you have a knack for teaching, you can teach a subject related to accountancy in college. This is a great career option and many accountants feel that this job is really fulfilling. Just remember that in this profession, you have to start slow. If you are just beginning a career as an accountant, try to start as a trainee and work your way up to the career path that you want to take. Accounting or accountancy career is a very promising career that presents a lot of great opportunities. You can be sure that you will find the right career that you want if you take this type of career.